Hey everyone, and welcome for a new video. Today we'll talk about customizations of the Kingsong S18. This video exists also in French. Donc pour les personnes en français, n'hésitez pas à cliquer sur le lien juste ici pour avoir une vidéo en français. Then, today we will discuss about customizations of the Kingsong S18, and today we will discuss about the power pad from Mono Customize. This video is following the series of customizations that I'm currently doing on my S18. The first one was the spike pedal plates from Chris Shapiro. Then if you didn't saw the video yet, feel free to click on the button right here and you will get my installations and review of his pedal plates that, by the way, I love. Then today we will discuss about the power pad from Mono Customize. This video will be decomposed in three parts. The first one will be the presentations of the power pad from Mono Customize. The second one will be the installations. This part should be pretty fast because it's two Velcro that you need to attach on the wheel. And the third part will be a review. Then I will try it outside and share with you my feeling about this power pad. Then let's start now. The first part, the pads on themselves, they are genuine leather and it looks really high quality. For the price of it, it's $150 plus some extra dollars for the shipping cost. Mono Customize is proposing several shipping options and they have different pricing depending on how fast you want to get it. Personally, I got the fastest one and it took 3.5 weeks to come from Russia. Then Mono Customize, I don't know if it's only one guy or if it's like a company or whatever, but they are based in Russia and you can order them the power pads on Instacart. I will put the details of Mono Customize on the descriptions on the video. Then concerning the box, when you are receiving it, it was really well made, really like solid. The pads were well packed into the box as well. What's interesting was the little cards that they are putting with the power pads. It's a little bear on a wheel and it said "From Russia with love." And it was a really nice message, I liked it. And also you have two samples of leather that is used to create the power pad, and it looks like the quality of the leather is really nice. Concerning the compositions of the power pad, I will try to show it to you here. The middle part is a soft part and it's really comfy, it's really soft, you see. And this part and this part, they are solid parts, mean that it will help your leg to stay fixed on the wheel if you want to accelerate or deaccelerate. And you have the little like label where it's a Mono Customize here. Then yeah, the quality of the power pads looks really nice, really high quality. And yeah, for the price, I was hoping that the quality was as good as that, and it is. If you want any other detail on the compositions of the pad, feel free to put a comments in the descriptions below and I will do my best to be able to answer it. Then let's start with the installations. I did the video in French just before and I kind of like removed the Velcro, the second part of the Velcro, and I just attached it first, and after I attached the monopad to it. It was not the most easiest way to do, then I will try to do a better way in this video in English. Then what I would advise you is to just remove the little sticker to just get the part that can be fixed on the wheel. And because the design is really like well made and perfectly made for the S18, you will see that the power pad is really like matching the curve of the wheel perfectly. Then what I will do is I will just do that. Just do that, align with the curve and push push both parts.
Yeah.
I think this technique was much better than the first one. Then I will put a little comment on the French video just to make sure that everyone is aware of it. But yeah, if you are just removing the sticker from it and you fix directly the pad on the wheel, it's worked much better. Then they are now fixed. Looks good. I don't know what you feel about it, but let's. If you have any other feeling, feel free to put a comment on the description below. But yeah, for me it looks really good. I love that they were able to create a power pads that it's fitting perfectly with the design of the S18, because one of the strengths of the Kingsong S18 was the design, like an innovative design that they created for the wheel. Then I'm really happy that I can still feel and still see these like suspensions and design that they created. Now let's see if it's working as I would imagine. Then what I will do is I will go outside, play with it, probably ride 20-30 miles, and I will take you back just after that. Talk soon in the second part.
Hey everyone, let's go for the second part of the video. I did 20-25 miles with the power pad from Mono Customize, and in general my feedback is like I really like them for three main reasons. The first one is that it's helps you to accelerate and decelerate, and when you start to accelerate and you want to stop a bit more like quickly, you can just lay down and the back of your legs will grip with the back side of the Mono Customize pad, and it will help you to brake a little bit like faster. For the acceleration is the same. I'm not someone that is trying to go to 30 miles per hour every time I ride my S18, but if you want to like get a little peak of acceleration a bit more quicker, then the pad will help you to do that, and it's kind of really gripping well, and it's really interesting. The second reason, and the main reasons for me, is the comfort of it, because when you're riding and you're trying to grip your legs on the body of the S18, it's like plastic, and sometimes it can be like not painful, because when you are getting used to ride, you will see that the pain will be like reduced. But when you want to do some trick and like jump and stuff, you will see that you are using your body a little bit differently, and with these cushions that you have at the middle of the pad, it's much comfortable, and for the long ride it's much easier as well. The third one is how you turn, because what is interesting with the pad is that when you want to turn on the left for example, your right leg will start to bend a little bit like in front of the wheel, and your left leg will go on the back of the wheel, and the pad is kind of helping you to like turn like this, as you can see. And if you want to directly like turn in the other opposite, you can just switch the positions of your legs, then the left legs will come in the front and the back one will be on the left, and the pad will help you to just grip and just stay stabilized on your wheel and to be able to turn them. It's a big advantage of it. The only disadvantage that I got in like 25 miles of riding and like stopping, putting it on the wall, etc., is that I felt that it was a little bit easier to stand the S18 against the wall without the pad than with the pad, because with the pad it's not like totally flat, and sometimes it makes it a little bit more difficult to find a good balance for your wheel against the wall. It's not a big disadvantage, but it's only my own feeling about it. But yeah, the three main advantage and reasons are beating this one like by far. And yeah, I think I will like advise you to buy it if you are looking for power pad. It's really great quality. And yeah, I think the price is a little bit more too expensive, but yeah, that's kind of okay, because the wheel in itself it's really expensive as well. Then I think it's a good add-on for your wheel if you are looking for power pads. If you like this video and you want to continue to follow my adventure, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video if you like. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.